that we need to also focus on is the fact that people want to succeed, but there's a major contributor to us not succeeding, and this is something that we're not ready for. A lot of people speak their dreams and speak their plans prematurely, and that has become the biggest contributor and factor to people not really succeeding in whatever that they want to do. I mean, the fact that someone is your friend or your family doesn't mean that you have to tell them anything or tell them everything about your life, because you speaking your dreams to sometimes small-minded individuals will contribute to you not being able to move towards your dreams, mainly because you're just speaking to the wrong person. So I think even as we start the week on this Monday, we have got to understand ultimately that some plans are good kept off in your space and in your chest than telling them to certain individuals. So I will say that a lot of dreams have not been fulfilled and haven't been able to be materialized and manifested, mainly because we spoke prematurely. Number one, we like having enemies, and sometimes the enemies that we seek are obviously visible enemies, but sometimes the enemies that we are fighting with ourselves are the enemies that come from within us, and that enemy would be our words and our mouths, and we need to limit what we say to certain individuals, because that can stop and thwart us from getting to our dreams and our goals. That's really what I'd like to say today for this episode of Martin Mondays, that be careful to not speak about everything and anything to anyone, because that can really stop